Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to share this delicious recipe with you today, pumpkin brownies. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Starting with the pumpkin batter, we're going to use cream cheese and add sugar and pumpkin puree. Make sure to use puree and not pumpkin pie filling. Add your vanilla extract, an egg, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Use a hand mixer or a whisk. You also want your products at room temperature for an easier blend. You can use any brownie mix and follow the directions on the box, or make it your own. Just like that, you have your pumpkin brownies. You can find the recipe in the description below and more recipes on delightcooking.com. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.